there! Want to swap out your traditional bottled shampoo for something new and fun? Let's make some of these shampoo bars today. First, we're going to combine all of our dry ingredients. Let's mask up. For starters, we'll have our SCI powder and our SLSA, both which are in powder form. Up next, we're going to add some arrowroot starch and some kaolin clay, which is going to give our shampoo bars some structure and absorb some of the moisture from our next ingredients. And finally, we're going to add some citric acid, which will keep the bars the perfect pH for our hair and scalp. Now let's gently stir everything together with a whisk, making sure it's all evenly distributed. Now we can set our dry ingredients to the side for a moment and work with our wet ones. We need a moisturizing oil that'll nourish our hair and help the bars stick together. I went with castor oil. Then we have another gentle surfactant, cocamidal propylbutane. This will boost the foaminess of our bars. Now all that's left is to add the preservative and the fragrance. First, I'll add the preservative. I'll be using Germaben 2. And now let's follow this up with the fragrance of your choice. Now we're gonna give all of the liquid ingredients a really good stir, and it's time to combine everything. Now let's grab a pair of gloves and we're gonna begin pouring your liquid into your dry ingredients. Now using your gloved hands, you should be able to work everything into a dough. If you find that your dough is too sticky, you can add some more clay. If it's too dry and powdery, add some more castor oil bit by bit until it reaches the desired workable consistency. These bars can either be hand-shaped or pressed into molds like I'll be doing. I have some round disc molds which will fit perfectly into the palm of my hand and will make great little bars. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of the dough and press it with the palm of our hands and then press it down right into our little molds, just like that. Now the bars just need to solidify. This typically takes about 48 hours, but can change based on the humidity of your environment. If you live in a humid region like I do, I highly suggest investing in a dehumidifier to dry your DIY projects faster. Each bar can be sold wholesale for $3 to $5 and retail $7 to $10. Check out all of our other bath and beauty projects that we have on our channel in our DIY playlist. That wraps up today's episode. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them down below. We have tons more episodes of AFI's DIYs coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to stay in the know. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!